Oh, the ball's down here.
What are you doing, Cabo? She's lost her ball.
What's the matter? Did you lose something? Is this yours? Is that what you want? Say thanks.
That was so funny.
Yeah, Chris. So, yeah, you too. That's a good girl. That was okay.